Let's try the. Yeah, yeah, try it, please. Okay, please. Green over here, please. Guitar studio will be 1718 for GP. Guitar studio will be 1718. Thanks. Guitars on only one channel. Ravi, guitars 17, 18. Ravi, can you? I'm not getting guitars on 18.
Check.
Can bass, please? Bass. Drums and bass, please. Keys, please. Let's check the guitars, please. Guitars is mono or stereo? Someone, James, speak in the mic.
It's given stereo line, but I don't know if you're getting both the signals.
I'm just getting it on only one channel. So,
Okay, okay, we are changing the cable.
alright. Speak to Ravi, he'll sort it out. Thanks.
Okay. It's plugged in, let's check.
No, now I'm getting it on 18 and not on 17. Yeah, getting on board. Can I have all the band members play a song without the vocals? without the vocals, and then check the monitors. Tell me what you guys want. This is basically for the other band. This mix is for Lost and Found, but it's more or less similar. Yeah, play. Without the vocals.
A little more guitars on in ears. Little guitars on the in ears. Bit more. Oh, cut the guitars. Level up a little more. In the ears, guitar.
Gitar do khara
Little more keys. Let's go.
I want a little bit of bass on my front monitor.
Sure. Check, please.
Okay, I think it's good. Can you give a little bit of just only one mic?
All right.
Just only one mic monitor.
On the front monitors, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Your vocals, right?
Yeah. Check.
Check, please.
Yeah. I think it's good. Check. 1, 2. Check. It's good. Is it good? Check. ADI. I think it's good, yeah. Check. Kiss. Kiss. Oh, no. Kiss. You know, guys, this is a sound check, right?
Hello.
Sound check. What about, bro, Ramcha? Is it good? We'll do a short.
Hello.
1 minute. No?
Just do half a song. and
Oh,
we'll
yeah.
wrap it up.
Yes.
With the vocals now, yeah?
Okay, yeah. I wish I had an angel for one moment of love. I wish I had your angel tonight. Deep into a dying day, this night will hurt you like never before. Deep into a dying day, this night will hurt you like never before. Oh, now stay die hard. Oh, let's stay die hard. I wish I had an angel for one moment of love. I wish I had your angel, your virgin Mary at dawn. I'm in love with my lust, burning angels into dust. I wish I had your angel tonight.
Ramchan, more guitars on the guitars monitor
All right.
and a little bit of drums too.
All right, I'm good outside.
One minute. We'll do a softer one. There.
James, come again. You were saying something?
Yeah, we'll do the whole set. Just half of the song.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, thanks.
Hey, bro. Please add a little of his keys on the drums monitor. Oh, yeah. A little bit of keys. And reduce the guitar. is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven.
Check. Ramchan, in-ears is losing signal. In-ears is losing signal sometimes.
Yeah. There's a bit of a signal problem in the drummer's monitor in here.
What's happening?
Signal, there's some cracking, like the signal is not getting it properly.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna put down the master volume a little bit. It's distorting. All right. All right. Thanks.
Check, check. I'm giving the mic to MC, okay?
to do the things you wanted. I bought them for you. Graceless lady, you know who I am. You know I can't let you slide through my hands. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. I watched you suffer a dull aching pain. Now you decided to show me the same. No sweeping exits, oh, off stage lines could make me feel bitter or treat you unkind. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. I know I've dreamed you a sin and a lie. I have my freedom, but I don't have much time. Faith has been broken, tears must be cried. Let's do some living after we die. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. Wild horses, we'll ride them someday. sings the song. What you want from me?
Check. Check, check.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. All right. The moment we have all been waiting for has finally arrived. Tonight, this stage isn't just a stage, it's a battlefield of sound, a temple of thunder where music gonna take over every heartbeat. So get ready to scream, jump, sing, and lose yourselves to the rhythm. Because we are about to unleash a night of unstoppable energy. Are you ready? I said, are you ready? That's wonderful. For the first performance of tonight, please join me in welcoming the voice of grace, power, and pure artistry, the exceptionally talented Miss Tarin Langghu from Chandel. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. Let's all give it up for Miss Tarin.
Hello, check. Hi, everybody. How are you doing tonight? Before I start my song, this first song, I'll be singing Love on the Brain by Rihanna. And this song is dedicated to Brother Ellen. Yeah. Play the track. Finally fight just to get close to you. Can we burn something, babe? And I'll run for miles just to get a taste. Must be love on the brain that's got me feeling this way. It beats me black and blue, but it fucks me so good, and I can't get enough. Finally we fight just to get close to you. Can we burn something, babe? And I'll run for miles just to get a taste. Must be love on the brain that's got me feeling this way. It beats me black and blue, but it fucks me so good, and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain. This next song, it's called What's Up. I know every one of you will be knowing this song, so I would like everyone to join me in singing, okay? is still trying to get out that a great big hill of road for a destination. Are you guys having fun? This next song is called Don't Stop Believing. Smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down with Boulevard. Their shadow searching in the night. Street lights.
해주세요. You just take it. That was a wonderful performance from Miss Tarin Langghu. She's from Chandel district. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's all give it up for that performance, Tarin Langghu. Just one announcement, if Bliss is around, can you please come at the backstage? Can you please report at the backstage? If Bliss is around, I request you to kindly submit the track for Panei to the technical team. Yaribro mayam, nungaribro. All right, we are ready for the next performance. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's keep the energy rolling. Put your hands together for the young, talented, beautiful Miss Panei from Senapati. She is the winner of the One Voice Hunt Season 2 2024. Let's all give it up for Miss Panei from Senapati.
This first song will be Billionaire. Sing along with me. I wanna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire. Yeah, I would have a show like Oprah. I would be the host of everyday Christmas gift, every wish list. I'd probably pull an Angelina and Brad Pitt and adopt a bunch of babies that ain't even had shit. Give away in the cities like here we have this. And last but not the least, can somebody the last week. It's been a couple months and I've been single, so you can go and try to close mine as a whole. Ha, get it? I probably visit where Katrina hit, and damn sure girl I'm more than FEMA did. Can't forget about me, stupid everywhere I go. Every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear, the world better prepare when I'm a billionaire. Guess the song? Come on, it's poker face. I wanna hold them like they do in Texas, please. Fold them, let them hit me, raise it, baby, stay with me. Love game, intuition, play the cards with spades to start. And after he's been hooked, I'll play the one that's on his heart. Oh, 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 I get him hard, show him what I've got. Oh, 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 I get him hard, show him what I've got. Carry mine, no, he carried my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Carry mine, no, he carried my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. I wanna roll with him, a hot pair we will be. A little gambling is fun when you're with me. Russian roulette is not the same without a gun. And baby, when it's love, if it's not love, it isn't fun. Oh, 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 I get him hard, show him what I've got. Oh, 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 I get him hard, show him what I've got. Carry mine, now he can read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Carry mine, now he can read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Poker face. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. I won't tell you that I love you, please don't hug you, cause I'm bluffing with my muffin. I'm not lying, I'm just standing with my love. Look at me, just like a chicken in the casino. Take your bang before I pay you out. I promise this promise. Take this out cause I'm marvelous. No, he can read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Carry mine, no, he can read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Carry mine, no, he can read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Come on! No, he can read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Carry mine, no, he can read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. No, he can read my poker face. She's got me like nobody. Poker face, poker face. She's got me like nobody. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. Poker face. I've never seen anybody do that thing to do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. I've never seen anybody do that thing to do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I've never seen anybody do that thing to do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. I've never seen anybody do that thing to do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. All again. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wow, that was phenomenal. Thank you for delivering such a strong, unforgettable performance. You rock the stage, Ms. Panei from Senapati. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, our next performance is a band of 5-member rock band from Senapati. Formed in 2009, known for its powerful stage presence, tight musicianship, and energetic performances. With numerous shows to their name, the band has earned a strong reputation for blending classic and modern rock influences into a fresh, engaging sound that connects deeply with audiences. Backed by years of experience, dedication, and a solid brotherhood, the band continues to stand out as one of Senapati's most impactful and enduring rock acts. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all give it up for the band Lost and Found.
Check.
It's not in the way that you hold me. It's not in the way you say you care. It's not in the way you've been treating my friends. It's not in the way that you stare to the end. It's not in the way you look or the things that you say that you do. Oh, the lie. Love isn't always on time. Oh, oh, oh. For the lie. Love isn't always on time. Oh, oh, oh. It's not in the words that you told me. It's not in the way you say your mind. Ooh. It's not in the way that you came back to me. It's not in the way that your love set me free. It's not in the way you look or the things that you say that you do. For the lie. Love isn't always on time. Oh, oh, oh.
Please, please.
Mayay lang, oh. Si Gayas ko, mabani, mayay lang.
Please, please.
Nate, oy! Yes.
Hi.
Please, whenever.
There's many things I wish I didn't do, but I continue. I never meant to do those things to you, and so I have to say before I go that I just want you to know I found a reason for me to change who I used to be, a reason to start over
Alright, I'm good to go. Guys, I'm good to go. Thank you so much.
Brother, can you please give?
1 second, 1 second.
Chalo, chalo. It's okay. It's good.
Alright. Check the main vocals, please.
Check.
I increased the guitar levels on the guitar monitors as requested earlier. Yeah? Thanks.
3.
Alright guys, I'm all good on console.
Hello, check. Hello, check.
I wake up in the morning, so far away from home, trying to make you through the day. Many miles are between us, I'm sending my love from this payphone. Through you I am like a ship without its sails, calling the wind to save me. I climb the highest mountains across the 7 seas just to see your smile again. All the trust that was built along the years is coming back to say, I know, just look ahead, the road is free, I'm coming. Thank you. Well, I love the energy. Thank you so much. Well, lost and found, we are so privileged to come and perform here in Imphal. Thank you, guys. And next song, I know everyone will know this song, all right? Are you guys ready to sing along with us? You ready? Let's go. We both lie silent, stealing the dead of a night. Although we both lie close together, we feel miles apart inside. There's something I say or something I did, then my words not come out right. Though I try not to hurt you, though I try, but I guess that's why they said, yes, come on. It's just like it. It's just like every cowboy sad song, yeah. Every rose has its thorn. Song playing on the radio. Here's a DJ say he loves the game of easy come man, easy go. But I wonder, does he know? Has it ever felt like this? And I know that you would be here right now if I could have let you know somehow. Sing! Louder! It's just like it's just like sing a sad song. Every rose has its thorn. That was been a while now. Yeah, I could still feel so much pain. Like a knife that cuts you, the wound heals, but the scars, that scar remains. Having fun? I know I could have said I love the night if I'd known what to say. Instead of making love, we both made our separate ways. And now I have found somebody new, and that I never meant that much to you. To hear me tells me you're inside, and to see you cuts me like a knife, I guess. Louder, come on! It's just like it's just like every cowboy sing a sad, sad song. Come on! Yeah. As it's you guys are amazing! You guys are amazing. This is the energy we want, all right? All right, next song. If you want to headbang, you're welcome, all right? This is a song for leaders who are corrupted, and we don't follow king of fools, all right? Let's go! What do you think when you spit in my face? How does it feel to accuse and to hate? Now look at me, I'm not one of your kind. And I prefer we are still flock with the masses. What do you see with your heads in the rashes? Keep on writing at what I believe. Call me and say, yeah, and I'm proud to be, and walk the wicked way. We don't wanna be like you. Don't you get that king of us? We don't mind your life inside. You are the king of us. We are never gonna be like you. We don't follow king of us. You are the blind who leads the blind. Oh. We don't wanna be like you. Don't you get that king of us? We don't mind your life is fine. You are the king of us. We are never gonna be like you. We don't follow king of us. You are the blind who leads the blind. You are the king of us. Thank you. You guys having fun? Are you guys tired? You want more? All right. This next song, let's take it slow, all right? This is our original song. It's a sad song. It's a broken song, all right? Anyone in the crowd whose heart is broken once or twice, raise your hand. Wait, down. Whose heart is broken once, raise your hand. All right, down. Twice, raise your hand. Thrice, raise your hand. Oh my God. All right, this is a song composed and written by my elder brother. This is his song. It's a sad song. He wants to be here tonight, but he's inspector in CRPF, and he's caught with dengue, so he is hospitalized, so he couldn't come. And I request all of you to stay safe. All right, this is from our first album. This song is called Broken Glasses. My heart of ages, you made your garden and planted my favorite flowers. would ever have more. I'm standing strong, but still on my knees. I'm moving on, but still in our past. We never saw, we always stand on a broken glass as whatever shall be will be without you. Thank you so much. Well, this will be our last second song, all right? You guys with us? Are you guys still with us? All right. I'm sorry to say, but this will be our last song, all right? Time is running short. From 100% of you, 99% of you will know the song, all right? I want all of you on my right, on my left, on my middle to sing along with us, all right? You guys with us? You know Guns N' Roses? All right. I want you to scream at the top of your lungs when I count to 3, all right? 1, 2, 3, shout! can shoot them anymore. Like all black cloud is coming down. There's not come knocking out heaven's door. Ah, yeah. Knock, knock. Once upon a time, a famous rock band called Guns N' Roses Acceleros once said, alright? I sing once, you sing once. You guys ready? You guys ready? Are you guys in the middle ready? Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. I. You can do better, come on. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Whoa, yeah. Yeah? Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. 1, 2, let's go! Yeah? Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Ooh, yeah! You guys ready? Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. much, everyone. Thank you so much, Imphal. Hey, can you please turn the lights on? Yeah, can you please turn the lights on?
That was an absolutely insane performance. Thank you for setting the stage on fire and taking the crowd to another level. That was a pure rock, pure power. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready for the next performance? All right, rock family, don't let that energy drop. Get ready for another blast, okay? Louder, all right? Thank you, thank you. That's the energy. All right, the next band is a symphonic rock band based in Imphal, Manipur. The band is widely known for its explosive live acts and is considered one of the most active, powerful rock band in the Northeast region. The band represents the Ziliangrong community. They have headlined numerous mega festivals and concerts in Northeast and national stages and have opened for international act too. The band is widely respected for its dynamic range of musicality, touching varied genres in accordance to necessities. The band is none other than GMP. GMP, the band, is active on social media platforms, that is Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So I urge everyone to go and follow the band, GMP. The band lineup: James Riamai, vocal and bass; Kapung Gondaimai, guitar and backing vocal; Guangba Golmai, keyboardist; Gaichampao, drums. Everyone, let's all give it up for GMP band.
Since the last time that I
Check.
saw your pretty
Achan,
face,
please cut the first tone. Cut the first tone.
1,000 lies have made me colder, and I don't think I can look at this the same. But all the miles that separate disappear now when I'm dreaming of your face. I'm here without you, baby, but you're still on my lonely mind. I think about you, baby, and I dream about you all the time. I'm here without you, baby, but you're still with me in my dreams. And tonight it's only you and me.
you getting bass signals? Are you getting bass signals?
Come again. Dinesh, come again, please. If the keys are done setting up, just play.
Are you getting bass signals? Okay.
Good on the console. Check the mics, please.
I think it's good.
Hello.
All good on the console. Alright, I've increased guitars on the monitors.
Good, it's good.
All good?
Yeah.
Thanks.
It was just yesterday we were walking hand in hand. I raised my hand up in prayer, but I don't know how to start. Lost my reason, lost my senses. What have we become? Then the day we ought to walk on the sense. Remember we're all the same. Tell the games I'll be mine. A holy fight for the queen. Take the peace with the God in your hand. A gamble for the future. Wasted time for spark hatred. Welcome to the 𝘍𝘗𝘕𝘐𝙗. Generation, what do you behold next? Blameless to and woe are you to the whisper in the air. Lose your own and lose your name. Feel the feet with your lives. Blame the system or blame yourself. Even till we rise again. Tell me games I'll be mine. A holy fight for the queen. Take the peace with the God in your hand. A gamble for the future. Wasted time for spark. Say with me. Welcome to the 𝘍𝘗𝘕𝘐𝙗. Yeah. Tell me games I'll be mine. A holy fight for the queen. Take the peace with the God in your hand. A gamble for the future. Wasted time for spark. Say the lecture. Welcome to the down the games I'll be mine. A holy fight for the queen. Take the peace with the God in your hand. A gamble for the future. Wasted time for spark hatred. Welcome to the 𝘍𝘗𝘕𝘐𝙗. You guys are beautiful, man. That's what I'm talking about. You guys up for more? You guys up for more? Let me see you all scream out. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Let me see you sing from with me. Say, oh yeah. Ah, 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 yeah. Woo. Symphony of Destruction. Swaying to the symphony of destruction. But wait, let me calm you all down. Please calm down. And I want you all to give some love for my keyboardist. He'll be giving you a sweet, sweet melody back on the next song, right? And for those of you who is a fan of the band called Still Hot, this is for you. This is called We All Die Young. Is my soul